Hey guys, welcome to review. Today we're going to be reviewing Cadbury Dairy Milk 3 limited edition flavors. It's going to be Rocky Road, S'mores, and Fireworks. Stay tuned. Okay, so first one up, Fireworks. Looks like it's got Pop Rocks candy inside the chocolate. Yeah, it says milk chocolate with candy coated gems. Oh, and popping candy. Okay. Well, that's what the picture says it's supposed to look like there. Let's give it a shot. Oh, okay, I'm gonna take a bite. Give you guys a look first, though. You kind of see like little colors there. I'm assuming that's the candy. You guys can hear that. Let me try and repeat. It's a nice light milk chocolate. It's not too sweet. Oh. Okay, if you guys can't hear it, it's okay. It's like it's a party in my mouth. I actually wasn't sure how the Pop Rocks would do with the candy, but I mean with the chocolate. But it actually works really, really well. I'm totally gonna give this 5 out of 5. It's really nice, smooth tasting milk chocolate. It's not too sweet, and the candy actually works really well in that. So I would definitely recommend this one. Okay, let's go try s'mores next. Milk chocolate graham cookie pieces and marshmallow bits. Oh, that sounds really good. Oh wow, look at this. I haven't even seen the front part yet. Look at that. Look at the texture. Oh, okay, I didn't want that big piece. That's when it broke off. Okay. Oh, look at that. See the marshmallows and the graham cracker. Let's give this a shot. This one is a little bit sweeter. This one not really sticky sweet, but it's definitely sweeter than the other one. I definitely get that s'mores taste. So yes, that one's also 5 out of 5. And last but not least, Rocky Road. Milk chocolate and chopped almond and marshmallow bits. And I'm going to tell you guys after which one is my favorite out of the 3. Oh wow, this one too. I'm going to check the texture on the back. Or I just didn't notice it. So there we go. That's all I was trying to do with the other ones there. But I kept on getting bigger bits than I wanted. You can see the marshmallow and the almond. This one is a little sweet as well, but it's almost like a sweet, not quite. The almond and the marshmallow taste really, really good in the chocolate. Yeah, I'm gonna give that one 5 out of 5 as well. These are all 3 are really good. I just gotta try and pick which one is my favorite of all of these, which is gonna be really, really hard. If I had to pick, I'd probably pick the Fireworks. Just because I like the Pop Rocks. Yeah, okay, there's not really that much texture on that one. It's really flat. There's a little bit, but not as much as the others. But anyhow, I found these at Atlantic Superstore, which Canada is Loblaws or Dominion. But yeah, I encourage you guys to try it. Let me know in the comments if you try any one of these flavors and which one you think you would love to try. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, guys.